An additional link under My Evaluations is Artifacts. In this section, you will upload artifacts to show proficiency of the 8 Iowa Teaching Standards and the Danielson Essential 10 components. These artifacts will be used to support your DE summative evaluation. Probationary teachers and teachers on Year 3 evaluations will work with your administrator on completing the DE summative evaluations. To upload artifacts to this section, you click the Upload button. You will need to name your artifact, enter a description of your artifact. From the drop-down menu, you will choose the type of artifact you have uploaded. You will then need to choose the category, which is one of the 8 Iowa Teaching Standards. Next step is to choose the alignment with the Danielson components. You will choose a component that matches your artifact, and then move on to choose a criteria. You simply click in the box next to the criteria. In order to add this alignment and criteria, you click on the Add Criteria. If your artifact meets more than one criteria, you will repeat this process again. You are now ready to upload a file. You may choose File or a URL. Click on the up arrow to open your documents. Choose a document, click Open, and now it is ready. You then choose an administrator from the drop-down menu. This would be your administrator in charge of your evaluation. You are now ready to save your artifact. This artifact will now be included in your file of artifacts to support your DE summative evaluation.